Good morning and welcome to SBConnect, where we educate for and connect to the world of work.
Hey, what's up, everyone? I'm Justin Hudson. Welcome to One Love IE. They thought I was crazy to create a brand that had a heart logo. Man, who's going to wear that? Nobody's going to wear a heart. Oh, you look soft with a heart. But now we were able to partner with Nike, and we actually made a shoe for the Inland Empire. And so remember that it all starts with you believing in yourself, and anything is possible. And so no matter where you're from, together we are one. Peace and love, y'all.